So I use the DJI Mic Mini pretty much on all my content. It's what I'm filming on right now. I have it right here. And just whenever I'm filming or voiceovers, I'm usually always using the DJI Mic Mini. The great microphones, one thing that's really cool about them though is that they're actually compatible with all the other DJI products, or most of them as far as I know. And so right now I actually have the DJI Action 4. It's an action camera that I use. I use this camera when I'm outside, not using my phone, stuff like that. And what's really cool about these microphones is that you can actually connect them to the DJI Action 4. So that way, when you are filming with this thing, you can get really solid audio. You don't have to rely on the audio on this action camera itself, or you don't have to make a voiceover. You can just film, and you can actually connect two of the mics. So the DJI Mic Mini does come with two microphones, and you can connect both of them to this, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. All right, so it's actually really simple to connect these to the DJI Action 4 or the DJI Action 5. I'm pretty sure you connect them the exact same way, but as you can see, here's the Mic Mini right here. You have the charging case, which is nice. It does come with two microphones. These microphones snap into place, and then you have the receiver, which currently right now is in my phone. But super simple. All you do when you take the microphone out of the case, you're just going to want to hold down the power button, and you'll see a light turn on right here. And essentially right now, the blue mic, what it means, oh, I'm actually connected to it already. So it actually automatically connected to my DJI Action 4 just because I connected it before. But essentially what you're going to want to do is when you open up the DJI Action 4, and as you can see, as I'm talking here, it's actually adjusting the volume. You can see it right there, which is a cool feature about it. But you're just going to want to swipe down, go to settings right here, go down over here, go to wireless mic. Boom, and as you can see, it is connected right now. And as you can see as well, it'll show the battery level percentage of your microphone. You can adjust the volume if you want. You can turn off the LED light, low cut, auto power off, clipping control. So there's a lot of things you can control with this, which is pretty awesome. So essentially what you would do is on the microphone right now, when it's blue, when this light is blue, that means that it's connecting via Bluetooth. So that's when you would connect it to, other DJI products. But if you want to connect it to the receiver, like what's in my phone, what you'll do is you actually hold down this little Bluetooth button and it'll turn green. Or it'll turn green and blue. And when it's green, essentially that means that it's looking for a Wi-Fi signal from your receiver. If it's blue, that means that it's going to look for a Bluetooth signal for your other DJI products. And so right now it's flashing blue and green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to wireless mic. So settings, down here to wireless microphone. Boom, click that, and then now as you can see, there's two slots to connect your microphone. And what you do is you just, since this is flashing blue and green, it's ready to go. You click this middle part here. It's going to take a couple seconds to connect. And then boom, it confirmed it. Boom, and now we're connected. And as you can see, as I talk right here, it's going to adjust the volume so you can see it right here. So it's really cool. I do really like that it actually shows it too on the camera. So if you're behind the camera, you can see that the audio is actually working. And like I said, you can connect up to two microphones. So both of your microphones to this. So if you're having like a scene where two people are talking, you can totally have them both talking at the same time and you can get great quality sound. And by the way, like I said, I'm filming this whole thing on the DJI Mic Mini as well right now. Not edited or anything like that. Just straight filming from here on the one that I'm wearing right now, and it works great. And then another thing that's really cool about these microphones is, like a lot of other microphones, when you're not using them, it has this charging case. So you can they magnetically clip onto here or into here, and you just clip them in like this. Sorry, wrong way. Boom. And now the microphone will actually be charging when I'm not using them. So that way, the next time I use them, they're fully charged and ready to go. So overall, just an awesome microphone. I love these microphones, and just an added bonus, if you're thinking about what microphone you should get. I know there's a lot of microphones out there. If you are already using DJI products or you're thinking about using them, then I'd recommend going with the Mic Mini. If not, there's a lot of options out there, but this is a great content microphone in my opinion.